Shushu halor ke jingdawa ban Pyntreikam mek inaline permit a Meghalaya. Uba AL hek uli thu bakaseng BJP bakasarkar Jylla kidang yai bot dia ni kene kam. Ndri ula banjur ba ke jingite kendon kam dei ban long ke ba penthut ni penshta mi ki Paidbah ba nongwan jing okai perthai namar ke Jylla ke de bani jing mentoy na ke kam jing okai perthai. Ula pen ken mau banamar ba ke Meghalaya ke de ke Jylla ke ba de ke lentiyat na ke transit state. Ke jingite kendon kam dei ban penthut ke jingit lenti jugi brio ki belet na Guwahati sha silchar lengba kene ke Jylla. Baga jingyat ki Paidbah ni ki wei pat ki Jylla sha Meghalaya ba na Meghalaya shi wei pat ki Jylla ke de ban yat bet klem gano ka jingeh.
It has to, government should consider this, but it has to be do and don'ts. It has to be, cannot be one-sided restrictions. It should be benefit the people who are coming inside and also benefit the state for the development through the tourists are coming to the state of Meghalaya.
So coming to again the same question, ILP, is it?
As I see, there's so many things there. With this transit state also, it should not be one-sided, restrictions. The restriction has to be for the people coming from the transit state. Suppose from here to coming from Guwahati to Silchar. That also we have to look after. They should not be disrupting the smooth, flowing of the any people are coming from outside. It should not be too much disrupting. That's all only.